Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change gesture settings in Infinix Note 40 device. So for this feature guys, first of all go to settings and then click to display and brightness. So in this feature we have option of desktop setting. Just go to desktop setting and then click to gestures. So we have these gestures. If we can slide up on launcher, so all the apps will be appear. We can set it for a notification bar too, like if I slide up, so the notification bar will be appears. Slide down on a launcher, so it will be a quick search. And if you want the voice search, you can set it for a voice search. Launcher setting, hidden app, start app, you can set it over from here. Slide up with two fingers, so it will be a hidden app. If you want any other thing, so you can set it from here. Pinch in with two fingers, so the launcher settings come. Pinch out with two fingers, so it will be none, but I am selecting notification bar. Okay, now let's see if I pinch out with two fingers, so what will happen. So as you see, the notification bar will be appear now. So that's how we can change the setting of a gestures in Infinix Note 40 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.